In this video, we are going to see how we can change the date of birth on Facebook. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. Let's say you want to customize the date that you earlier may have entered incorrectly. Here's how you can enter it or change it. First of all, just click on the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon. And from here, just choose settings and privacy and click on settings. And from here in the account center, you want to click on the personal details. And again, in the account settings, you click on the personal details. And we can click on the birthday date and click on edit to customize it. But since we have shown too many times, so we recently just changed the birthday. But you should be able to see the customization option for the birth date to be adjusted directly. You change it and you click on save, and that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.